afternoon. Please tell us your first and your last name.
My first name is Iman Nadim, my last name is Dale Su.
Okay. Please tell us a little bit about Restoration Prayer House.
Restoration Prayer House is born in 2014 through a vision that God gave me to go out there and restore the breaking heart, the breaking home. And that's what I've been doing, touching people that are less privileged, the orphan, the widows, and they need it.
Tell me what you need and how people can support you.
What I need is not only, I need more financial help because to support them, because they need something that maybe they don't have the privilege to have it by themselves. And also, I need people to more advise me how to go about it, because helping people is not only money, and sometimes idea can be very helpful for my goals.
So how many women do you, or widows or families, do you plan to support in the next, year or so?
In the next year, I would like to touch more than 1 million women over the world, where more than 1 million children over the world, and then more than 1 million needed, especially less privileged, especially in America.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time.